in. So it finally came, and this, I've been waiting for this package. This is from Unity, and I had a lot of people want to see this particular haul because, was it last week? I don't know. I've been sick for a couple of weeks now, which everyone knows because I'm super whiny when I'm sick and feel the need to tell everybody. But I've had a horrible cold, and I had it for about a week, and I gave in some desperation for some sleep and took a big dose of NyQuil. Now, I have like zero tolerance for anything. I do not drink alcohol at all, but if I did, I would probably be one of these people that were buzzed, if not flat out drunk, after a glass of wine. And so anyway, I took some NyQuil, and a couple hours later, I was completely out of it. And the next morning, I woke up and I had an order confirmation from Unity. So I didn't look at it though. I did not look, because usually they have what you order, and I didn't. Oh, that's my son. Sorry. But I thought this will just be like a little surprise gift to me from me. So first off, is this itty bitty Our Journey Begins at Home stamp. And you were supposed to get a free stamp, so let me see if okay, so this is my free stamp. So I didn't order this one. So the rest of these I ordered. Okay, so I got Love Your Buns. So it is a hamburger. And it says, I love your buns. Sorry for the things I said when I was hangry, and I miss your buns. So that's cute. Yeah, then I got an Angie girl. So this is Sierra girl. This is a picture is worth 1,000 words, but the memories are priceless. So she's cute. She's taking a selfie. And then a Phyllis hair stamp. This is no fun. So it's this little guy. It says no fun when you're not here, and I miss you. And I think I got this little guy because my son does this exact same thing when he's not getting his way. He'll cross his arms and scrunch his face up. I guess that's just universal with kids. And then I got Loved with the Love. So this is a little bitty, and it's a sentiment. It says, we loved with a love that was more than love. Edgar Allan Poe. And I think that's it. Yeah, so I didn't do too bad. I got like a nice little variety here. An Angie girl, a Phyllis Harris, this little punny set here. This is fun. I like that. It did the itty bitties, and then this was by Freewood. So I'm happy. I didn't spend an exorbitant amount of money, which was kind of what I was afraid of. How I remembered my passwords to Unity and PayPal and all that, I guess that just shows how much I shop there and how much I log into my PayPal, that I can remember that stuff even when I am a little buzzed on NyQuil. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.